Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I am here to share with you the SanDisk flash drive, 256 gigabytes of storage. This little baby is so easy to use. You simply pop it in your drive here. As you can see, it's so tiny and small. We actually leave it in there at all times to make it convenient for us to be able to just back up whatever we need to. And then you go to your file, click on Backup Company. Here we're doing our business, create a local backup. Next, save it now, next, and save, and you are good to go. It's as easy as that. If you're looking for storage for your computer, I definitely would recommend this one from SanDisk, and that's my point of view.